It's great. No, just get the tweezers.
I need to, Jacob, I can't get in there.
Okay.
The shit is pumped up.
Oh, hold on. He's got a tick. He's got a tick too.
Well, I
Oh
can't.
my god, you got a tick in there too?
Oh my god, give me a tweezer.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, you do have a tick in there, bro.
Oh my god, where have you been?
Is there a tick in my ear?
Yes.
This black thing?
Yeah, that's a tick.
Surprise!
Don't move, dude.
I can't really see, you guys. Can you move your hand? Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't move. Here comes the tick.
Good thing I'm running. Get it.
We got some knives.
Okay, we got the tick.
No, it's not. He's still in there.
Oh my god.
We got to get the mop out while he's moving. You see
Yeah,
him?
grab that damn mop.
Oh my god.
No, just
Oh.
You're the esthetician.
You see him?
Bailey.
Oh.
It's not okay.
The one nurse that's got any type of training is
Don't move.
Can you move the light a little bit?
Towards you?
Yeah.
bad luck there.
Yeah. You get it?
Part of it.
No, you see his wing?
Oh.
Grab him and gently pull.
Just getting bits and pieces. Do you want to grab them, Angel?
Oh, I'm scared.
Good. Oh, nurse. What are you questioning? No.
Ever.
We got a torch here, Mike. Maybe we just burn them out.
Oh.
Can't get them, you guys. What am I gonna do?
Go a little deeper. There you go.
We need that.
Oh.
That looks like it might be it.
Pliers?
No, oh, good God, it's in there. Look at that thing.
Oh my god.
He's ready to come out.
You did a good job staying calm, though, Mikey. Really,
There you go.
You really have to
Is that
stay
it?
calm, though.
Oh.
No.
Oh, it looks like it's spider.
Your ear is going to be so red on the outside.
Jacob,
I'm sorry.
move the light
Oh my
towards
god.
me. No. Okay. Yeah, right there.
Wait, anything a little longer, pliers?
Good thing we're not completely wasted right
Right?
now.
Oh, Mike, I know you picked a good time to have this
No
done.
shit.
We're all going to be walking around with earmuffs now.
Oh.
I'm nervous.
I need longer tweet. Can I have a napkin or something to wipe this off?
Where you need to get that wax thing you guys use?
Yeah.
That ear candle?
Oh my god, dude.